I wanted to do one more chart tonight. I wanted to do SPY. Crazy sell-off today, down 1.8%. Do I think it's going to continue? Do I think we're going higher? Is there going to be a crash anytime soon? You can probably look at my screen and come to the conclusion yourself. But let me go over what I see on the chart. So, despite the Fed saying they might hike interest rates, emergency hike here tomorrow, I still don't see a crash in the short term. So if you look at this chart using Elliott wave, I had us at a fourth wave right here, and then the final wave for this market to go up and the melt up. I have it going 1, 2, 3, took us all the way there, the long 3. What did it go from 300 to 486? And then we finally got a fourth wave right here at the end of January. And so currently I have us going into the fifth wave of the overall fifth wave that started all the way back in, let's go back to the monthly chart. When did this start? This started in 1993. So I have us at the very end of this melt up cycle, which is kind of crazy to say, but that's where we are in my opinion. People are calling for a crash right now, but if we're in the fourth wave of the overall fifth wave, and we just started the overall fifth wave right here, I have us just finishing the first wave, and right now we're in the second wave. So the first wave went from 420 all the way up to 458. I have us A, B, C, and it looks like C. I go back and forth on this. I mean, it's all predicting, but this can either be a flat. If it's a flat, it's just going to be A, B, C. This will come back and just touch close to the bottom of the first of A. So 444 or so. The thing about that, that's only the 38 retracement of the first wave. Usually it's about 50%. So it could be a flat, but I'm thinking more along the lines that we probably do hit the 50% here, which would only be another 9 points in SPY. So I'm looking for about 439-ish, possibly down to 435. So I put this right here around 439. That's where I think we're going to go. So then I have us melting up from 439 all the way to 481. Maybe just hitting a top here with the all-time high, possibly breaking it. Pulling back to 472. And then the last part of the melt up, I have us going to between 502 and about 510. That's my aim for the overall end of this crazy bubble that's been inflated for years. And where do I see it going from there? Well, what happens when a wave ends? When an overall 5-wave move ends, it's the exact same. So if you go first wave, what does it normally retrace to? It retraces to the 0.5 and the 0.618 fib. So in order to figure that out, we got to go back all the way to 1993 and then go all the way up to, we'll just say 502. And so whenever this does come to an end, maybe it will go higher than that. I mean, it's just projection. We're looking at a correction all the way back to 270, maybe even 216. And if it gets too out of hand, possibly all the way back to this level right here, fill this gap around 140, 150. So, I mean, the Fed's in a tight spot. I'm not that well versed in policy, but if you raise interest rates significantly, that's going to cause a crash. There's just no way around that. And so this is going to happen sooner or later. It's just however long they want to kick the can down the road. But from here, I'll just say from 448, we're going to go all the way to 500 to about 510. And we will hit that top, I would say probably in the next 3 to 4 months. And then from there, maybe it'll be a quick crash, long drawn out crash. We don't know what we're going to get, but hopefully if it does, it's going to be short and sweet and enough people are aware that's going to happen. I know that's kind of hard, but it would be nice if your family members and anybody else that has a 401k doesn't get slaughtered by this. So that's my projection. Leave some comments. I think we still got some more time, and I think we're going to go higher in the near term. So leave comments, like, and subscribe. Thank you.